The American Staffordshire Terrier, often referred to as the Amstaff, is a medium to large-sized dog breed known for its strength, intelligence, and loyalty. Originally developed in England for bull baiting and later dog fighting, the breed was selectively bred in America to be more of a family companion. American Staffordshire Terriers typically weigh between 55 to 70 pounds and stand 17 to 19 inches tall at the shoulder. They have a muscular build, broad head, and strong jaws, giving them a powerful appearance. In terms of temperament, Amstaffs are known for their friendly and affectionate nature towards their families. They are loyal, courageous, and confident dogs, often forming strong bonds with their owners. With proper socialization and training from an early age, they can be excellent with children and other pets, making them loving family companions. However, due to their history, they may show aggression towards other dogs and animals if not properly socialized. American Staffordshire Terriers are intelligent and eager to please, which makes them responsive to training. They thrive on mental stimulation and enjoy activities such as obedience training, agility, and interactive play. Regular exercise is important for their physical and mental well-being to prevent boredom and destructive behaviors. They have a short coat that is easy to groom, requiring only regular brushing to remove loose hair. Overall, the American Staffordshire Terrier is a devoted and affectionate breed that thrives on human companionship and attention. With the right training and socialization, they can make loyal and loving pets for active families who can provide them with the mental and physical stimulation they need.